Welcome.
Episode 4.
Second guest.
Jacqueline Lynn show.
Take a seat.
And
All
we
right.
have a new guest.
We have a new guest.
Woo!
Coach B. Okay.
Alright.
So
Doesn't
how's
this hurt your knee being bent like that?
yeah, a little bit. But it's worth it for the show. Oh, there's Sophie again. Okay, so how's the front of the bus?
What's the front of the bus?
How is it?
Oh, it's excellent.
Good. It's Peter Joe.
Peter Joe and I have had excellent conversation. We've talked about his fantasy leagues. He has 5 baseball teams, 4 basketball teams, 4 football teams, 3 hockey, 3 basketball, and 2 soccer.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
That's a lot.
We talked about his headaches too. He's had headaches for like 2 years. Not very cool.
And his broken rib.
We didn't talk about that.
Oh. Well, we have our own show.
Yes.
Oh, the shades came down. Okay.
This is
getting
episode
bright.
4.
4.
Officially.
Our second guest.
Yep.
Why wasn't I the first guest?
I don't know, actually.
I'm a little bummed out about
I
that.
am too. I'm surprised I didn't think of that first.
Seriously, after our car trip, I should have easily been the first guest.
That's true. We
Oh
messed
yeah.
up. Alright, so we were actually hoping we could do this app that I have.
Yeah.
Fat Booth.
Oh, I thought you meant like.
Yeah, wait, did we already do this?
No.
No.
Okay, we're gonna do this.
Can we do this?
Sure.
Okay.
Alright.
End of episode.
We'll
4.
be, yeah, okay.
Woo, thanks for
Yeah.
everything.